Hi everyone! Hello! Let's learn English together!
Today we learn present continuous.
Wow! Ah! Zen, what are you doing? I am running!
We're going to use this for now.
Is, are plus ing.
I am talking. I am talking.
I am talking. You are listening. Yes. The cat is sleeping. Shh. They are playing.
Playing.
Zen is jumping.
Remember, am, is, are plus ing.
Keep practicing. See you. Learning English is fun.